Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this video about the 7-minute chart again. Now, I made a video, this one is on my website right now, about the same thing. What is 7-minute chart, how to open it, and how to trade it properly using it in my system, Creative Abyss system. So a detailed video that how to open the chart, right? What are the parameters, and then how to locate the entry based on 40-minute chart, and then take the entry from 7-minute chart, obviously, right? So I decided to do it practically today and then show it to you again so that you know exactly how it is done, right? This is all theory here, but today I did the same thing. I applied the same method between 40-minute and 7-minute and took some trades that I will show you that this is how it's done. So let's get started. Now, this is the chart I made. This is about, so like the whole program, like system. When I call it creative trading system, it is the whole system starting from the weekly, monthly chart analysis, and then going down a lower time frame, 40-minute, and then 20-minute, and then 7-minute entries, right? So this is the chart I made on the 23rd March, saying that this, if we go above this 70.49, then we're gonna go. First target was 73.30, second target 74.50. So what happened to this chart? We went up there and we hit, see, on this one again. I made the chart on the 27th April that 73.30. We start to bounce powerfully, and we were just a little shy of 73.30, which we end up touching it anyway, right? This is the current chart I can show you. See, this is the current chart. Oops, monthly chart, right? So monthly chart, you see this? This candle went up, poke into 73.30, and then start dropping. Dropping where? Dropping back to the same big area, which is on the this one here. See, 70.49, that the one that we bounced. Now, before that, look at the weekly chart. Before that, there were a couple of numbers here: 70, 75, and 71.19. Right? This is a chart I made on 13th April. So this is where it came back down. Now look at the 33-minute chart. It hit this line here. This white line is 33.30, right? On the monthly target. Then it came back to 70, 75, and 71.19. Then it started to go up again. It came down because of the intervention, right? And obviously, and then in the preceding video, I said that they did it, but the conditions are the same. So the yen is gonna get weaker again, and all yen pair are gonna go up again, right? They drop big time because of the intervention, but they will go up again. Now, this thing is going in this fashion. I say this is wave 1 or A, then an A, B, C correction, you going back to 61% or 78%. But you can see that from here on, May 6th till today, it is keep going to the upside. Blue candles only. That means it is keep getting weaker, right? So forget about going short in yen pairs, because yen is getting weaker. All yen pair will go to the upside. And this is written on my chart, one of the charts. See, when yen index goes up, all yen pair also go up. So you look at that, the weekly chart was powerfully going, the 33-minute chart was powerfully going towards this target. Now, when this week started to yesterday and then today, I start to look the 40-minute chart of yen pairs. And yesterday video, I gave you, I used pound yen for an example, right? So I'm going to use the same thing, and then I'll show you what happened today. So now pound yen, let's open the 40-minute chart of pound yen. This is a pound yen pair. And you can see that the day today, 5:13 started wherever 13 started 13 right here. So you see clearly here that it first this black reversal candle from the top. That is a sign that it might go down, but the trend is powerfully to the upside. The pound yen is going upside from here, May 3rd, right? It is dipping, going up, dipping, going up. So it was a dip. So no more long, stop long, and then wait for, maybe it will go to the downside. Yeah. But then one red candle, and after that, boom, reversal candle to the upside. Now, this candle ended up here, right? After this candle started means this candle, reversal candle to the upside ended. So that's what I said in my last video yesterday, that once this is ended, the 40-minute chart, that reversal candle happen, is finished, then you go and look for the entry on the 7-minute chart. And if you find one, you take it, right? Now, this candle, like I said, that on the bottom, you can see the time is 5:13, it's 8:35. So this blue candle, the first reversal candle to the upside, is finished at 8:35 yesterday, right? Now let's go and take a look at the 7-minute chart. Do we have an entry after that, after 8:35? So this is my 7-minute chart, okay? Now, 7-minute chart, pound yen. Sorry, this is pound yen, right? That was pound USD. So this is pound yen and then 7-minute chart. Now, if you go and take a look, 8:35, we need 5:13, May 13, 8:35. So May 13 right there is 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 8, 9, right? So this is 9 o'clock. 4:35 is right there. After this, we need a long entry. After this. So after this, obviously, the entry was gone. Basically, this was the entry. So, it was 6 o'clock, right? So forget it. We missed that. Next entry. Next entry came when? Here. Right? So this is the entry area. If you take the entry here somewhere, right, put the SL here. How much is the SL? From entry to, look, this is the SL is 18 pip. With the help of 18 pip SL, you make an entry here. This is the first entry on 7-minute chart after you have a reversal candle to the upside in the direction of the trend in pound yen 40-minute chart. We have a reversal candle, 8:35, 9 o'clock, and we have an entry here at 10 o'clock, right? So if you take this, how many pip? From here to now, right now, 121 pip, right? If I take this entry, I could have gotten this one. Did I? That is the question. And yes, I did that. You see this entry here? Buy order is right there. SL move to break even. My SL first here is it start to go up. But now the thing is that some people ask me, why don't you put the entries on the Telegram? Now I teach this at my will, but I do not know when the entry is going to happen. So what I have is this baby here, 7-minute live robot, right? And it is available on my my website. But you must learn. I said it in the yesterday video that you must learn how to use it. This whole system that I just explained, I explained it yesterday, and I did this practically today using the same scenario, same methodology, and I'm showing you this trade. So this is the one using the same methodology. This is the second one for 90 pip euro yen, because yen is getting weaker. All yen pair. I could have gotten like 7 pairs, but I didn't bother that. I had to do some, I have to take, some other stuff, right? So I had this EA on these 3 pairs, euro yen, pound yen, with USD yen. So 65 here, 90 here. So that's 155, and then 55, 65, 75, 275, 275 pip in 3 pairs from the 7-minute chart on stupid Monday. Another manic Monday, right? So using this methodology. So you got to play by the rule, by the system. If you know exactly what is happening, like this one, you see this is what's happening. Pay attention. So we went all the way there. Now, it looks to me that this could be wave 1 or A, and this is a correction. A, B, C goes back to 61%. The idea is that either the price will drop, which I don't see how people are not willing to do that. But since Bank of Japan did the intervention here, and here, they're not going to let it go in vain. They will come back again if we start to go to the upside. So this is the area that I will say that we pay close attention. Somewhere here, we're going to have a reversal candle to the downside, just like this one, and the downside game will start. Like intervention week, I had 300 pip trade, 270, 250 trade, short trades to the downside because this EA took it as soon as the entry. If it started to drop, then you will see the entries. That's what it is. Without the entry system, without the entry setup, I don't take the trade. So all of my trade, you can see that it was according to the system, pound yen. The yellow line is above the black. This indicate all the way down. You can see here the same thing here. Yellow was above the black. This is down, and otherwise the EA will not even take the the EA opens the trade. And EA is very scientific. It doesn't matter that what do you think. EA look for the conditions and open the trade. So simple as that. So that's what I said, that if you want, this is gold, obviously, this is the second entry for gold, same thing, and then this is the first entry in gold today. This is all today, right? So forget about the gold, but I was just showing you that this is pound yen, euro yen, and USD yen. So this is where, if you want to really achieve these results for using the 7-minute chart, then you must do the one-on-one. So I can explain you, teach you that, it's like Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, using the Fib properly. You must know all of that. Once you have that, then you have to know when to use the 7-minute chart, EA, on the 7-minute chart and on the 20-minute chart. Once you all know that, that's why I said that if you sign up for the one-on-one, I'll give you the EA for free, no problem. Right? But at least that I would know that you know exactly how to use it. But I'm not going to give you a, AK-47 and say, here, go play with it. No, you might hurt yourself or somebody else, right? If you don't know how to use it. So this is very important to learn and then do it. And this is how you do it. All three according to the rules. I explained the rule yesterday in a video. And I applied the same rules, same system, same everything today, and I'm showing you that, this many pips, the 120, 90, and 65 in yen pairs. All right. So this is how to use it. If you, like I said, if you sign up for one-on-one, you get the EA for free. All right. So go on my website and start learning. Simple as that. If you really want to do what I'm doing here. All right. So bye for now. Don't forget to, subscribe my YouTube channel. Right. And I just showed you yen index. This is a very, very solid and beautiful setup if it is start to play out. If we make the turn from here, if it is wave 1 and 2, big wave 3 will come in down. How? I don't know, but this is the technicals, and I follow that. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.